Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be taking you guys on how to make a high neck collar. Okay, so if this is what you want to watch, stay tuned and subscribe, and don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up. Okay, so let's just get into it already. And if you have any question, please you can just drop it in the comment section. All right, thank you. Okay guys, so right here you can see that I have my basic body pattern. Okay, and you can see that I have 4 inches allowance at the top before I started doing the basic pattern. Okay, so I have an extended 4 inches at the top before I started drafting it out. Okay, so I have the front and the back here. We'll be working with the both pattern, and I also have my zipper allowance space for that. So first thing first, I will go ahead and now I'm going to go ahead and extend 2 inches on my shoulder. From my shoulder, from the normal shoulder of 3 inches, I'm going to extend extra 2 inches and also go up with 2 inches there as well. Okay, I extended 2 inches out and also went up with 2 inches. Okay, so I'm going to connect the lines and then also connect it downwards. Okay, I'm going to connect it downwards to the 2 inches down. You can actually do 1.5 if you want to. Okay, depending on how close you want it around your neck, you can do 1.5 and also bring it closer at the top. So you are just free to do anything you want to do here. All right, you're very free to do anything you want to do here. So that will be it for the cutting. I'm now going to use this front pattern to also cut for the both of them, for the both back as well. Okay, okay guys, so after doing that on the neck, you're going to bring down your tape from the measure line and then you mark 7 inches. I did 7 inches here. Okay, so right here now, if you do not want it to start from that point, you can actually extend your hand, okay, out. You can extend your hand out. You are just free to do anything you want to do, like the curve. Okay, you are free to do any kind of curve you want here. All right, so just feel free. So right now you're going to go ahead and use this pattern paper to cut out on your fabric. Okay, then after cutting on your fabric, you will also cut out a facing for it. Okay, when you cut out the main fabric, you cut out a facing for it. All right, for both the back and the front. And then right now I am going to go ahead and then turn this fabric. I'm going to turn it with my lining. I'm using the material for the facing, that's the lining. Okay, I'm going to use it for the facing, so I'm going to work on the front first before working on the back. I'm going to turn it over and also top stitch on the facing. Okay. So right here I'm done top stitching at the back. This is the front. I'm also done sewing and top stitching. Okay, I'm going to now work on the back. So at the back you're going to sew just 3 inches, okay, or 4, depending on what you want. If you want to make it 4, you can make it 4. If you want to make it 3, you can make it 3. All right, and also remember to sew the facing as well. Okay, so I'm going to use the facing to turn the back as well. the same way we did for the front, but I'll not be stitching at the two sides. I'm also only going to sew at the top of the back, and I will make sure that the two middle lines are meeting each other. So right here now you can see that I'm done sewing it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to place the front on top of it, and you're going to make sure that the flap, the facing meets each other. Okay, you're going to sew the facing separately and then also sew the shoulder separately. Okay, facing and facing should meet each other at that point, so everything will now meet each other. I'm going to use my office pin to hold it down. All of them, they are going to meet each other, so you just have to sew from the facing to the shoulder. All right, and also do the same thing for the other side. So guys, once you're done sewing it, that will be it for this tutorial. You go ahead and iron it. Okay, iron it and then use your hemming gum to hold it down. You're going to hold it down. This place that is open at the back, you're going to attach your zip to that side that is open at the back. Alright, so that is it for this tutorial. If you've watched to this point, make sure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.